All right, so I am live with our last break out of eBay for tonight. Break 29 and 91 Synergy 17 team double box break. So let's do this. And good luck, everybody. First box. First bag. Starting with a red for the Winnipeg Jets, Mark Scheifele. We've got a blue for the Coyotes, Max Domi. And we've got Nashville Predators, PK Subban. Number 2, red for the Winnipeg Jets, Patrick Laine. Blue for the Anaheim Ducks, Nicholas Skeltis. And we've got for the Ottawa Senators, Erik Karlsson. Third pack. Red for the New York Rangers, Philip Sheeton. We've got a blue for Minnesota, Luke Cunningham. We've got Toronto Maple Leafs, Lane McDonald. Pack number 4. Red for Boston, Jake DeBrusk. We've got a blue for the Dallas Stars, Jamie Benn. We've got Coyotes, Clayton Keller. Number 5. Red for the Golden Knights, Marc-Andre Fleury. Blue for Colorado, Samuel Girard. And we've got Edmonton Oilers exceptional talent, Connor McDavid. Pick number 6. Red for the St. Louis Blues, Ivan Barbashev. Blue for the New York Rangers, Philip Sheeton. We've got Ottawa Senators, Colin White. Pack 7. Red for Colorado, Nathan MacKinnon. Green for Montreal, Carey Price. We've got New Jersey Devils, Nico Hischier. And last pack of our storage box, we've got a red for Tampa Bay, Nikita Kucherov. Green for the Edmonton Oilers, Akelo Yamamoto. And we've got Pittsburgh Penguins, Mario Lemieux. So red time, let's do this. Tampa Bay Kucherov. Nope. St. Louis Barbashev. Nope. Boston DeBrusk. Yes. Winnipeg Jets 90. No. Winnipeg Jets Scheifele. We get a yes. Rangers still, it's a no. Vegas Golden Knights, it's another no. And the last one, Colorado Mackin, it's a no. So let's do box number 2. First pack. Starting with a red for Boston, Brad Marchand. Blue for the New Jersey Devils, Terrell. And we've got Colorado Avalanche, Dyson Just. Pack number 2, red for the Minnesota Wild, Luke Cunningham. We've got a blue for the St. Louis Blues, Tage Thompson. We've got Edmonton Oilers, Connor McDavid. Third pack. We have red for the Ottawa Senators, Logan Brown. Blue for the New York Rangers, Mark Macy. We've got Detroit Red Wings, Steve Yzerman. That's number 4. Red for the New Jersey Devils, Maury Brodeur. Martin Brodeur. We've got a blue for the Ottawa Senators, Erik Karlsson. We've got Columbus Blue Jackets, Pierre-Luc Dubois. Impact players. Pack number 5. Red for the Edmonton Oilers, Wayne Gretzky. We've got a blue for the Coyotes, Christian Fischer. We've got Toronto Maple Leafs, exceptional talents, Austin Matthews. Pack number 6. Red for the Carolina Hurricanes, Aiden Fleury. We've got a green for the Ottawa Senators, Erik Karlsson. And we've got a noteworthy newcomers, Arizona Coyotes, Christian Fischer. Pack 7. Red for the Calgary Flames, Jenny Gaudreau. Green for Pittsburgh, Anthony Malkin. We've got impact players for the Chicago Blackhawks, Duncan Keith. And last pack of our break. Red, oh that's a nice one. Red for the St. Louis Blues, Vladimir Tarasenko. We've got a white. Number 4 out of 17, Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Nice hit for Pittsburgh. Those white are wonderful. And we got the Carolina Hurricanes, and 3. So now it's red time. Starting with Tarasenko. Nope. 3. Nope. Jersey Devils, Marty Brodeur. It's a yes. Minnesota Wild, Luke Cunnin. It's a yes. Boston Bruins, Marchand. It's a yes. Rest should be no's. Brown, Ottawa, no. Edmonton Gretzky, no. And Gaudreau, Calgary, no. So that was some pretty good boxes. So we'll see you tomorrow on eBay, guys, and I'll be back with Facebook shortly. Thanks.